Exploring advanced technical solutions, onshore and offshore, is the focus of the 2013 Advanced Rig Technology Conference here in Stavanger, Norway. I'm Joanne Liu with Joop Rudenberg, the CEO of Houseman. Joop, thanks so much for joining me.
Thank you.
So in your keynote presentation, you talked a lot about innovation. And one of the major challenges is the traditional business model. Why is that such an obstacle, and what can industry do to overcome it?
Yeah, the obstacle is that it is a day rate business, and so there is no incentive directly for the drilling contractor to change. And, well, of course, every change is a risk. That's how I consider it. So the business model is that typically the operator gives a contract to the drilling contractor for a day rate, and the drilling contractor tries to get the lowest price for the ship, lower OPEX, so the yard builds standard ships or standard equipment, and there is no need for anybody to change. This is the model, the traditional model. So there's no incentive for a drilling contractor to change. It's only a risk. So that's why you see very little innovation in the topside development of drilling equipment.
Okay. So one of the ways that Houseman is overcoming that is by integrating the entire system.
Yeah. First of all, in order to give more room for innovation, and actually what our company wants is like lower well cost. Lower well cost means you need to have a more efficient operation with less people, and the business model as is traditional, it won't work like that. So the only way it will work if the operator and the drilling contractor and the equipment designer, ship designer, work together, and then really work for step changes, more efficient solutions, and then also there should be an incentive there for the drilling contractor to do it. And then in that way you can get the drill significantly the well cost down. So this is the way the business model should work.
Okay.
So it needs an operator, it needs an innovative drilling contractor, and an innovative equipment designer, and then you can make it work.
Okay, so given those three players,
Yep.
how is Houseman taking that approach to newer technologies?
Yeah, well, we coming from the different industries. We have built cranes, all kinds of. We built pipeline systems. They're all tailor-made. I think we built 40 or so. They're all different because you do it together with your client, and then you design for him the most optimum system. And here we try to do the same in the drilling industry. That we first try to understand the whole drilling process. Then we design the mission equipment, and then we design the vessel around the equipment. And in such a way you get a very optimal system, which really brings you a significantly amount of efficiency, and thus at the end lower well cost. And also safety. By designing in this way you also have a big improvement in safety as well.
Okay, and specifically on the drilling side, Houseman is working on pipe handling system and
Yep.
automated pipe handling.
Correct.
Tell me a little bit more about how are the features of that.
Yeah. Well, our tower is called the multi-purpose tower. It has basically two sides. So one side is utility side, you only make up things, and that is not automated, it's just handling. On the other side, you have the drilling operation, so the complete separated areas. And the drilling operation you can completely, fully automate. And that is what we're doing. And also our pipe handlers we have now redesigned the pipe handlers. These is a kind of robotic type machines which can do pipe handling, but can also do many other activities. So it gives you a lot of flexibility to change activities, make it more suitable for, of course, the pipe handling, but also when you do completions. It's much easier to handle all the equipment needed for completions compared to traditional derricks with traditional equipment. So there's a lot of things we have designed there now, and will really give a lot more benefit. And we're also going to build it full scale to test it, and to demonstrate to the industry that this is the way to go.
Great. Well, Joop, thanks so much for your time today.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
And thank you for joining us on drillingcontractor.org. You can read more about Houseman's innovations in the latest September and October issue.